what do we offer? Listen, I love to speak. I find passion in keynote presentations, training, listening sessions, workshops, seminars, and we also provide services to help those students get to where they need to be. Some of these students don't have or are equipped with the right LinkedIn profile to garner these positions where they can find success. They need a coach, they need a mentor, a sponsor to help pave the way for them to have these opportunities, right? Then there are those that are high potential employees in the workplace. I found times where there could be a requisition that can come out and we will shun away from the requisition because there are 8 bullets and 2 of them don't apply to us, and we'll just be scared and not apply at all, right? So we are equipping those that are behind the scenes to come from behind the curtain and to roar, right? And then there are those that are saying, hey, I just have this itch that I have to scratch. I want to be an entrepreneur. Okay, first of all, know what you're asking for, okay? Because there's a lot of work in being an entrepreneur. We take naps. I give that caveat, like it's not easy, but if it's something that you feel led to do, we prepare and equip entree leaders, is what I call them, to be successful in their business and give them that entree leader mindset of being relentless, optimistic, ambitious, and results driven. That is what the role really is.